What this marathon runner did to make the closest finish in Marathon World Championship history reveals the psychology of champions. Alphonse Simbu was a promising long-distance runner from Tanzania. He had a great start to his career by being selected for the Olympics in 2016, but finished 6th outside the podium. Despite being a flag bearer at the closing ceremony, he wasn't satisfied with his performance. So he trained hard the next year, won a bronze at the World Championship in 2017 and the Tata Mumbai Marathon the same year. With this, things were expected to go up, but no major medal came for the next 5 years. Simbu was disheartened and didn't know how to proceed next. In moments of disappointment, the amygdala, the brain's fear center, activates, causing self-doubt and hopelessness. But champions have a way to override their neural systems and focus on their goal. So Simbu kept working. In 2022, he won a silver at the Commonwealth Games, but he still had to make a mark at the global stage. He trained further, and 2 years later, in December 2024, he ran his personal best in Valencia, only to finish 4th. With momentum building, 4 months later, in the Grand Boston Marathon, he won a silver, few seconds short of gold. He was back in his form, but not there yet. The time came for his 4th World Championships, his moment to prove himself. As the race began till the 90 minutes mark, all runners seemed to be doing good, running in a pack with no clear winner. But as the 33 km mark hit, weather conditions and pressure of the tournament got to them. The Tokyo Marathon champion made an early exit due to injury. The Tokyo Marathon silver medalist too exited a minute after him, and 22 athletes failed to finish the race. By the last 300 meters, only 3 athletes were spotted at the lead: the German runner Amanal Petros, Italian Elias Aouni, and Simbu. Petros was in the clear lead, ready to sprint down the finish, but Simbu didn't want to miss his chance again. So in the last 100 meters, he ran, pushed hard, and as Petros kept looking back, Simbu was nearing. What looked like a normal lead and guaranteed finish started becoming shorter, and with seconds to go, Simbu matched Petros at the finish line, pushed himself further, and won the marathon by 0.03 seconds, winning the first gold for Tanzania at the World Championships in its closest ever marathon finish. Simbu looked up in disbelief. It wasn't his best time, but he was the best on that day, and that's what counts. Here's the mental resilience protocol that elite athletes use. Note down every disappointment as a fuel for your goals. Meditate on your breath to build clarity, and visualize finishing with success to build confidence. It's not who's the best, but who's the best on that day that makes a champion.